Imagine being able to contribute financially to your household, gain financial independence, and build a thriving income stream all while managing your home and taking care of your family. Too many housewives feel stuck, thinking they have no way to earn money because they don't have a traditional job. But what if I told you there are multiple ways to make money from home without sacrificing family time? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn your time and skills into income, whether through freelancing, online businesses, or smart financial strategies. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll have the roadmap to financial freedom as a housewife. Being a housewife comes with many responsibilities, and often, financial dependence on a spouse can feel limiting. Maybe you've thought about earning money, but you don't know where to start. Perhaps you believe you lack the skills or time to balance work with home life. The good news? None of that is true. There are countless ways to generate income from home, regardless of your background. Housewives around the world are breaking free from financial dependence, and today, I'll show you how you can do it too. 1. Leveraging skills for freelance work. One of the fastest ways to start earning money as a housewife is through freelancing. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, bookkeeping, social media management, or tutoring, you can offer services online. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect clients with skilled professionals, and the best part? You control your schedule. For example, let's say you have a knack for writing. You can start with small projects like blog posts or product descriptions, gradually increasing your rates as you gain experience. Some freelancers earn thousands of dollars a month without ever leaving their homes. Even if you don't have a specialized skill right now, many platforms offer free training to get started. The key is consistency and building a strong portfolio. 2. Starting a home-based business. Turning your passions into profit is another fantastic option. Whether it's baking, handmade crafts, candle making, or personalized gifts, you can sell your products on platforms like Etsy or at local markets. Some housewives have built six-figure businesses from their kitchens or craft rooms. Take Sarah, for example. She started making homemade organic soaps and selling them on Instagram. Over time, she gained loyal customers, expanded her product line, and now runs a thriving business, all while being a full-time mom. The key here is finding something you love that others will pay for, pricing it correctly, and marketing it effectively. 3. Monetizing social media and content creation. You don't need to be an influencer with millions of followers to make money online. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok allow everyday people to earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. For example, you could start a YouTube channel sharing parenting tips, cooking tutorials, or budgeting advice. With consistent content, you can monetize your channel through YouTube ads and sponsorship deals. Instagram and TikTok also offer monetization opportunities through brand collaborations. Even a small, engaged audience can generate significant income if you provide value. 4. Remote and part-time online jobs. If you're looking for stability and consistent income, remote jobs might be the best option. Companies are increasingly offering remote positions in customer service, virtual assistance, transcription, and data entry. These roles typically require only a laptop and internet connection, making them ideal for housewives. For example, many moms work as virtual assistants, helping businesses with emails, scheduling, and social media management. The pay can range from $15 to $50 per hour, depending on experience. You can find remote job opportunities on websites like remote.co and FlexJobs. 5. Selling digital products and online courses. If you have knowledge or expertise in any area, why not package it into a digital product? Selling ebooks, printables, or online courses can create a passive income stream. For example, if you're great at budgeting, you could create printable budget planners and sell them on Etsy. Another example, if you have cooking skills, you could create an online course teaching meal prepping for busy moms. Once you set it up, it can generate income continuously without requiring constant work. 6. Using investment and passive income strategies. Making money isn't just about earning, it's also about growing your wealth. Investing in stocks, real estate, or dividend-paying assets can help you build financial security over time. For example, if you set aside just $100 a month in an index fund, over time, compound interest can turn it into a significant amount. Real estate investment is another option some housewives start by renting out a spare room or investing in rental properties for long-term income. 7. Affiliate marketing and dropshipping. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by recommending products online. If you love certain beauty products, baby gear, or home essentials, you can sign up for affiliate programs on Amazon Associates or share a sale and earn money every time someone buys through your link. Dropshipping is another great option. You can set up an online store selling products without handling inventory. Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to start. Many housewives have built successful e-commerce stores, managing everything from home. 8. Maximizing household savings and smart budgeting. Finally, making money isn't just about earning, it's about keeping more of what you earn. Smart budgeting and frugal living can free up extra money that can be invested or used to start a business. For example, meal planning can save hundreds of dollars per month. Using cashback apps like Rakuten or Honey can turn everyday purchases into savings. When you combine smart money habits with income-generating strategies, financial freedom becomes much more attainable. You don't have to wait for the perfect moment to start. The truth is, the best time to take action is now. Every day you hesitate is a day you could be growing your income, investing in your future, and achieving financial independence. Remember, success doesn't come overnight, but small, consistent steps lead to big results. Whether you start with freelancing, a small home business, or an online job, the key is to take action today. And don't let doubt hold you back. Many housewives have turned these opportunities into life-changing income streams, and you can too. If you found these ideas helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which method you're excited to try first. And don't leave just yet. I've got more valuable content waiting for you. Check out the description or pinned comment for exclusive resources. Plus, YouTube has selected the perfect next video for you. It's on screen now. So go ahead and watch it next.